This video I will show you how to use Netflix secret code to categorize your movies and TV shows. For that you need to visit this netflix-codes.com site and you can see all the list of different genre with respective codes. Here I am clicking action and adventure related movies. It will listed out all the action and related movies in the Netflix. So if you want to change this number to different category, then you need to copy this number from whatever category you like and replace here. So the respective category movies will listed out here. So in this way you can categorize whatever movie you interested. Thank you.